Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Hello students, hope you all would be fit and fine over there. I am Sarita Asudani, and first of all I welcome you all to our secondary section. Students, now you are in 9th standard, which is the base for 10th. And as all you know, due to this COVID-19, our physical classrooms are not possible. So we have started these virtual classrooms. Subject I am going to teach you is social science. But before moving with that, I want to give you some of the instructions that daily we will be teaching you one or two topics, and whatever topics I have taught related to that homework will be given. You are supposed to do that homework daily. At the end of the video, I will give you the homework. Now, social science. All of you are aware with these subjects. From last few years, you are studying this subject. You know that this subject consists of three subsections: history, civics and geography. Today I am going to start with history first chapter, that is rise of British rule in India. Students, you have already studied in your standard 8 your chapter 1, arrival of Britishers. But this chapter is mostly related to that. All of you know that Britishers, you know that they ruled our country for so many years. How we got the freedom from that, all up here about you know, but why they came to our country? What was the reason for which they came here? What was the reason, how they came? All this we are going to study in this chapter. We are also going to study that how they came and slowly and gradually how they expanded their rule and they become the rulers of our country. Over this chapter, we are going to have these main topics. First is need to discover a new sea route to India. Why there was a need for them to discover a new sea route? Why? Okay. Then how they did, how the new route was discovered to India. That also we are going to study in detail. Then arrival of Europeans. You know different Europeans arrived here: Portuguese, Dutch, people, Britishers, and slowly and gradually how they expanded their rule. That all will study in this. Then we have Battle of Plassey, Battle of Buxar, and expansion of company rule. How the company slowly and gradually expanded their rule. Then we have how their rule had an economic impact and social impact on our country. These all are the main content points of this chapter. These are the topics you are going to study in detail in this chapter. One by one, I will be explaining you one or two topics daily. Okay? Clearly listen them carefully. So whatever I have explained daily, you go through that from your textbooks if you are having. Okay, daily 1 or 2 pages I will explain one or two topics. If you will listen carefully, you will easily learn. Mostly I think many of you think that history is a boring. Okay, social history you think it's somewhat boring, but students, if you will carefully listen, history is like a story. You will really enjoy it. Okay, so now first of all today I am going to start with our first topic, that is need to discover a new sea route to India. Okay, why these Britishers came to India, but what was the need for them? ऐसी क्या चीज थी because of that they came here? Students, as you know that India in olden days it was a very rich and prosperous country. India को सोने की चिड़िया भी कहा जाता था only because of this. It was also well known for its economic prosperity and cultural inheritance. So Europeans came to India for trade. Trade between India and Europeans was carried through sea route and land route. And the center, उस trade का जो center था, that was Istanbul. It is in Turkey. It is also known as Constantinople. Okay, and the trade was carried by this. There was a great demand for Indian goods in European countries, especially spices, muslin, silk cloth and indigo. Spices means garam masala. All of you must be knowing. Daily we are using at home. Okay. Muslin and silk is one type of a cloth, soft clothes. Indigo. Indigo is one type of उसका एक पौधा होता है. It is one type of a color, dye. It is used for dyeing the cotton clothes. आपका जो डेनियम का जींस होता है ना, उसमें जो कलर होता है, वो डाई होता है इससे इंडिगो से. So there was a great demand for all these goods in European countries.
But what happened? जो trade carried होता था between India and European countries, that was through a place Istanbul, Constantinople, and in 1453 AD, it was captured by Turkey Muslims. Okay, so the trade from that route was prohibited. Europeans and India could not trade from that, and Europeans could not do without Indian goods, especially spices. Especially they could not do without our spices, so there was a need for them to discover a new sea route to India. Understood, students? This was the reason why a new sea route was discovered to India. Now, okay, you came to know that why there was a need to discover a new sea route to India. Now, how it was discovered, who discovered it, that is also one story I can tell you. Firstly, Portuguese King Prince Henry, okay, he encouraged many of the sailors to do the voyages, and among them one was Bartholomew Dias. Okay, Bartholomew Dias, he was one of the sailors. He also started to discover a new sea route to India. But what happened, when he started, he reached the southern tip of Africa, and due to storms he could not move further. वो वहाँ से आगे नहीं जा पा रहा था, and so the point, the southern tip of Africa, he named it as Cape of Good Hope. Okay, you know why he named it as Cape of Good Hope? क्योंकि उसे आशा थी कि in future someone will come and discover a new sea route from here. So many times the question is asked, who discovered the Cape of Good Hope? So Bartholomew Dias. Then it was Christopher Columbus. He too started his voyage to discover India. But he discovered a new land, and he was under the misconception that he had discovered India. Actually, उसने West Indies discover किया था, but he thought that he has discovered India. Up to his death, up to what he was alive, he was under that misconception कि मैंने India ढूंढा, I have discovered India. But after that, another sailor, Amerigo Vespucci, he was one who cleared that it was not India, it is America, and he named that America. After his name, Amerigo Vespucci, the land was named as America. Okay, so question comes, who discovered America? It was Columbus. And who named it America? It was Amerigo Vespucci. Okay, now came Vasco da Gama. He was the person who discovered the new sea route to India. He was from Portugal. He started his voyage. He too reached the southern tip of Africa, the Cape of Good Hope. मैंने पहले आपको बताया कि Cape of Good Hope, it was discovered by Bartholomew Dias. Vasco da Gama too reached there, and after having many stops in Africa, he got the help of one of the Indian sailors, and lastly he reached India. He reached the port of Calicut, and at that time Jaiminur was the Mughal emperor over there, and he got the permission from him to trade with India, and in this way a new route to India was discovered by Vasco da Gama. So again your question comes, who discovered the new sea route to India? Vasco da Gama. Students, today I explained you two topics. Firstly, why there was a need to discover a new sea route to India, and who discovered, how it was discovered, that I explained you today. Students, whatever I explained you, now we are going to go through same, we are going to go to read in the textbook. Lesson 1, Rise of British Rule in India. Since ancient period, India has enjoyed an incomparable position in the whole world due to economic, cultural and religion inheritance. And due to economic prosperity and cultural inheritance, people from different nations of world came to India. Students, as I already explained you that India was very rich its economic prosperity and due to its cultural inheritance, many of the people from all over the world came to India. There was lot of demand for Indian spices, muslins, silk, cloth, indigo, etc. in the European countries. Trade between India and Europe was carried out through the land route and sea route. At the center of this route was Istanbul, Constantinople in Turkey. As I told you students that there was lot of demand for Indian goods like spices, muslin, silk, cloth, indigo, etc. And trade was carried out by Constantinople in Turkey. But after the conquest of Constantinople in 1543 AD by Turkish Muslims, the sea route through Constantinople was closed for Europeans. Muslim Turkish, they captured Constantinople in 1453 AD, and so that route was closed. Since they could not do without the spices, Europeans felt compelled to discover a new sea route, so an era of geographical discoveries began. Okay, as our this Constantinople, it was captured by Turkish Muslim, trade was stopped from there, so there was a need for Europeans to discover a new sea route to India. This will be your first answer in your exercise at the back. You can see the question that why there was a need to discover a first question it itself is that why there was a need to discover a new sea route to India. This will be that answer, that because of great demand of Indian goods like muslin, silk, cloth, indigo, and as the route was closed by, it was captured by Turkish Muslims, though Europeans could not do without our these spices, and so there was a need to discover a new sea route to India. Now, further I explained you that many of the sailors, they started to discover a new sea route to India. I explained you Bartholomew Dice. He discovered the Cape of Good Hope. Then Christopher Columbus, who also began his adventure of discovering a new sea route, which again came to be stopped at island presently known as West Indies. I explained you that Christopher, he discovered a new land which is known as West Indies. Columbus, who had believed throughout in his life that he had discovered a new sea route to India, had actually discovered new land. And since this clarification was made by Amerigo Vespucci, the new land began to be known as America. I explained you that Christopher Columbus, उसने discover किया था new land, but he was in the misconception कि उसने India discover किया. But after that, it was cleared by Amerigo Vespucci that it was not India, and he named that land as America. See students, then it was Vasco da Gama, who discovered the sea route to India in 1498. He started from Portugal, and here this is Cape of Good Hope, and it is the southern tip of Africa. अफ्रीका का सबसे नीचे का टिप है, and it was named as Cape of Good Hope by, already I told you, it was by Bartholomew Dice. And from here, after having many stops in Africa, finally Vasco da Gama reached India at the port of Calicut. And this was the discovery of new sea route to India by Vasco da Gama.